we're headed to the park because it has been cold here at Ocean Isle Beach, hasn't it?
It has been extremely cold.
It's been very cold. Well, extremely cold for us is like what, under 50, so
yes.
Too cold. So, but now the sun has popped out, so we're going to head to the beach. And oh, looks like we're about to go over the bridge. We made it to the park. Yay!
Got it?
Hey, babe, boo boo. We also did a photo shoot with Kenzie with the new beanies that we just got in. We got some more of those coming in, and we had a lot of fun with her. The ladies had a lot of fun. Da. Hi, baby. And then we also did a pier update. Those guys are starting some construction to renovate the pier now, so we'll keep you updated on that too. We're all looking forward to winter being over and getting towards some springtime and some summer soon.
Yes, we are.
I don't know if you know yet. No, I've realized, and I'm dying to tell